Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl and season with salt and pepper so the flavor distributes evenly. Heat a non-stick pan to medium and melt 1/2 tablespoon butter until it foams. This prevents sticking and gives color. Once the butter is ready, pour the beaten eggs, tilt the pan to spread, and let them set at the edges. Make sure to push cooked edges toward center to let runny parts fill out. This creates a soft, fluffy omelet base for your sandwich. Once the omelet is mostly set but still moist on top, move it onto 1 slice of bread in the pan and add cheese or preferred toppings, then cap with the second slice. Press gently with your spatula so the bread contacts the hot surface and heat transfers into the filling. Cook about 1 to 2 minutes per side on low-medium so the bread crisps without burning. If you want melted cheese, cover the pan for 20-30 seconds. This traps steam and melts evenly without overcooking the egg. Flip one final time to ensure both sides are golden, then transfer the sandwich to a cutting board and slice diagonally so fillings stay contained. If your sandwich is soggy, return it to the pan for an extra 30 to 60 seconds to crisp the bread. If it came out dry, spread a thin layer of butter or mayo inside for moisture. For multiple sandwiches, cool the pan slightly between batches to avoid overheating. This keeps color consistent and prevents burning, which...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.